Walking wanker. Who's that? Walking wanker. That's me. Now then, Ramblers. So, the TLC song, or is it Destiny's Child? I don't know, they're all the fucking same. They said don't go chasing waterfalls. So I said, bollocks to you, TLC, or Destiny's Child. I am in the Brecon Beacons chasing 4 of the bastards. Yeah, I thought I'd come for a ramble, and I thought I'd be nice, because it's not very warm, which begs the question, why the fuck did I put shorts on? And it's packed. It's fucking packed. So, I'm going to go find these 4 waterfalls, have a gleg at them, and then go back to the hotel. Yeah, but bit of a misjudgment, to be honest. It was an hour to get here. I had a big breakfast, and I think Charlie needs to come out the chocolate factory, if you know what I mean. Anyway, let's get ready to ramble. So I thought I'd get here early. You know what I mean? Beat the crowd. Good luck with that. Fucking van wankers everywhere. Including my baby, old Sylvian. Because it's silver and it's Ian's. Let's go find some waterfalls. Big bonus. Just packed the van up and there was 2 portaloos. So I thought I'll have a bit of that. Oh, I was in a while. I have no idea how it got on the ceiling, but there's somebody waiting to get in as I come out. Fuck that. It looked like a dirty protest, seriously. See you in a bit. And we're off. Can't see no fucking waterfalls. Who are you, mate? Oh yeah, I'm the walking wanker. Oh, I've heard about you. Fucking crackers. I thought it'd be a bit more impressive than that. That can't be it, surely. That's a fucking puddle. Gotta be down there. Walking wanker! Who's keep shouting that? Let's have a sing song. A WALKINGWANKER. A walking wanker. Hoo-ha! A walking wanker. That's me! Well, 45 minutes in and I'm fucked if I've seen a waterfall yet. Or, alternatively, pick it up. Dirty bastards. Do you hear what I did? Yeah. It's not too shabby, is it? And that's the first one that's supposed to be the little one. Wow. Trouble is, it's a bit of a trek to get down here, and what goes down, you've got to go back up the bastard, haven't you? But hey ho, I am a walking wanker. Beautiful. Excuse me, mate. Excuse me. Oh, you ignorant fucker. You haven't seen a big fuck off waterfall, have you? Oi! Come here! Oi! Oh, looks like dinner to me. Oh, look at that bit of mint sauce. Thought the Welsh was supposed to be friendly. Uh-oh! Uh-oh! I've come off piste. Yeah, I've come off the main track because it was full of tourist fuckers. And I might be getting a bit lost. Have a look at this. Look, so I found this mountain path underneath the cliff. But it's fair to say it's a bit of a drop to that side. So this might be the last video I ever do. Yeah, the first outing for the walking wanker, and he chucks a 6. Wish me luck. We got through it. So I've climbed down. It's fair to say I'm crag hopping. Yeah, none of that public footpath shit with me. So I've stopped for an apple. Have a look at the view. That's not too shabby, is it? All the way down, and it goes right up there, right round the corner. So I'm going to follow this cliff edge round and hopefully not die. But I'm going to have an apple first, so catch you in a bit. So yeah, I went a bit off-piste. Come down the mountainside, I saw 3 fucking yaks, a unicorn, 3 Dalai Lamas, fucking 4 golden eagles, but hey, it was worth it. Check this out. It's not too shabby, is it? I want to go for a bath. Fucking need one and all, which is walking down here. Yeah, it's decent. Hey ho, go find another one. Oh no, chasing waterfalls. You wait all day for a waterfall, and there's hundreds of the bastards. Oh, I'm nearly ready for my banana. That looks like a picnic spot to me. I spy, with a sky in my eye, something beginning with W. Yeah, Wanker! Waterfall after waterfall. Isn't that much fucking water? Where is it coming from? Unbelievable. Look at it. And there's supposed to be a water shortage. Whatever. Woohoo! Banana time. Look at this little leatherback bastard. Go on, you fucking dinosaur. I don't like them things. Nor do I like climbing up these. So I've just come from right down that valley and I found this. I'm having a fucking lay down on there. Whew. Waterfall! That's the one I'm going to walk behind. Come on, I'm excited! Time to get this way through. Oh please! We're under a waterfall! Mental! That was fucking magnificent. Do you know there's some of them things that you do in life and you think, I'll do that again. That bastard did one of them, but I'm glad I did it. Wow. Piss went through. What a force of nature stood behind there though, seriously. Magnificent. Oh. Bit of a tip for you, if you're going to come and do this walk and go behind the waterfall, put some fucking trunks on. Whew, fucking hell. On the way back up, these are called, affectionately, the bastard steps. Oh yeah. Yeah, that describes them adequately. Fucking hell. Go on, mate. I got to the corner and thought I was here. Fucking more of them. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, back in the room. Wow, them bastard steps. I thought they were aptly named. They're fucking bastard steps. But yeah, put it on your list. But don't do it twice. I've done it. I ain't going back there again. Magnificent now. I am going to sleep now on a grassy knoll. Somewhere just there, I think. Yeah. Dad, oh, wringing clothes out, piss wet through. Look at my hair. Fucking hell, the waterfalls took it. I've got Shearer's Island in the middle. So that's it. That's all 4 waterfalls done. Yeah. Don't care if I never see the fuckers again. Believe it or not, blue skies. And it's just been hailstone. Is that all about? Let's get back to the van and go get some lard. There's the valleys. Hello? Three, 2, 1. Back in the van. I'm fucked. So that's 4 waterfalls. One day. Yeah. What have I took from it? All I'll say is, if you're thinking of doing the 4 waterfalls walk and you're over 50 and maybe borderline type 2 diabetes and you do like a big dinner, maybe go to Norfolk because it's flat. Yeah, that was fucking hard. Nice though, very nice. I wouldn't want to do it with the sun beating down. It was just pleasant at 8 degrees. A little bit nippy in the shorts, you know, around the old Betty's, but we've survived. So, watch out, walking wankers about. Watch out, walking wankers about. Yeah, you better watch out. Walking wankers about. Right, I'm going to work some lard now, I'm starving. See you later. Ta-da! Get out of the way, you barmy cunt! You! Fuck off! The fuck? Oh, you fucking idiot! Seriously? When the highway code, you twat! Unbelievable.